Hello and welcome. In this video, we are discussing about SAP ABAP Modularization. So, it is a good practice to keep your programs as self-contained and easy to read as possible. Just try to split large and complicated tasks into smaller and simpler ones by placing each task in its individual module on which the developer can concentrate on without other distractions. So in SAP ABAP environment, modularization involves the organization of programs into modular units, also known as logical blocks, and it reduces redundancy and increases program readability even as you are creating it and subsequently during the maintenance cycle. Modularization also enables reusability of the same code again. ABAP has made it necessary for developers to modularize, that is, organizing the programs relatively more than in OOPS-based languages that have relatively more built-in modular features. And once a small modularized section of code is complete, debugged and so on, it does not subsequently have to be returned to, and developers can then move on and focus on other issues. ABAP programs are made up of processing blocks known as modularizing processing blocks, and they are the processing blocks called from outside the program and from the ABAP runtime environment, that is, event blocks and dialog modules. Processing blocks called from ABAP programs. Apart from the modularization with the processing blocks, source code modules are used to modularize your source code through macros and include programs. Modularization at a source code level, local macros and global include programs. Modularization through processing blocks called from ABAP programs, subroutines and function modules. Modularizing a source code means placing a sequence of ABAP statements in a module, and the modularized source code can be called in a program as per the requirement of the user. And source code modules enhance the readability and understandability of ABAP programs. Creating individual source code modules also prevents from having to repeatedly write the same statements again and again. That in turn makes the code easier to understand for anyone going through it for the first time. So this was a brief discussion on SAP ABAP modularization, and we will be discussing more on SAP ABAP in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video. Bye for now.